Now on to attributes. Attributes are pretty simple. Let me cut and paste my notes in here into the comments section and explain them. Okay, HTML attributes. Excuse me, sorry about that. HTML attributes, elements that have attributes. Basically what that's saying is an element has attributes. So attributes provide additional information about the element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes are defined in the name value, like name equal value. So this is a good example. href is this. So href and the attribute is that right there, and then this is the link. So name, the attribute there. So an attribute is something that defines the HTML command. HTML links are defined with a tag. The link address is specified as the href attribute. So attribute example. HTML links are defined with a tag. The link address is specified in the href attribute. So the href is the attribute, and equals, and that's Google, and then the a is the opening and closing. So that's the attribute there, and there's your a's to open it, and there's your to close it. And this is within the attribute. So within the a, so that's the beginning of the a and the end of the a, the href. So that is our attribute. So now most attributes work the same way, like that. So they have basically the attribute equals, and then in quotes what it is. So let's put this down here, and if I take this particular attribute, this particular link, and copy it down here further into my command, and then paste it and save it, file, save, and I open this up here, Alt-O, just hit the wrong button, sorry, Control-O, and go to my desktop where I have all this stuff, HTML, videos. This is the attributes section, and there's this attribute here, and you see this is a link, and I click the link and Google comes up. Pretty simple. So that's how that attribute works. Now they'll define different things, and just like anything else when you do this HTML, the more you use it, the easier it is to understand. But understanding the basics is the start of everything. So we just straighten this up here. That's attributes. Now there are different types of attributes. I'll provide a complete list of attributes in HTML elements at a later date. That's what I got a note here. So, but here below is a list of some attributes that you can use with HTML element. Basically, the attribute in the description, and class specifies one or more class names for an element, refers to the class style sheet. ID specifies a unique ID for an element. Style specifies an inline condition. Yeah, CSS style sheet for the element. And then title specifies the title. Now, I will go through all sorts of examples of these, but this is a good explanation of how an attribute works. And then when we get into more of the stuff, I'll just actually use one and then say this is an attribute, and I'll be using it. So this is it for here. Just straighten all this up here and save this. Okay. Thank you for watching this section. Have a good day.